Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mousse dessert. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 ounces of your favorite chocolate, 3 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1½ cups of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create the rich base for our mousse. Begin by gently melting your 6 ounces of chocolate. A double boiler works wonderfully for this. In a separate bowl, whisk the 3 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light and pale. Gradually temper the egg yolks by slowly incorporating a small amount of the warm, melted chocolate, then combine everything. The key to a light and airy mousse is in the folding. First, whip your 1½ cups of heavy cream until it forms soft, billowy peaks. Next, carefully fold about 1/3 of the whipped cream into your chocolate and egg base. Then, gently fold in the remaining cream in 2 more additions. This technique ensures you keep as much air as possible, creating that signature light texture. Almost there, carefully spoon your beautifully airy mousse into individual serving dishes or a single large bowl. Now comes the hardest part, patience. You'll need to chill the mousse for a minimum of 4 hours, but for the best set and flavor, leaving it overnight is ideal. Once firm, garnish with chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or a dollop of extra whipped cream and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.